Today we are unboxing our furniture. And here's Cookie with her collar belt. So over here's her collar belt from her mask. Here's my cream. Kind of cut. Because my grandma trying to cut this belt. Okay? It's kind of expensive. But doesn't matter. You're so cute. Come here. Oh, you're so cute.
Indeed, the worst kind of murder is murder by the government. The worst kind of injustice is injustice.
Guys, here is it for all. Here's berries. Here's this, that. And I have two Cheetos, and I have another pie. Here's Pika. Hi, what's up, guys? And here is all of the stuff. So here is like ketchup, the big ketchup. Sorry guys, I didn't upload vlogs for a week. Mine. Wow, exclusive. And oh wow. I like this box. This is my box. This is my box. My box. Don't try to get this box because this is mine. Hey, what are you barking about? Oh no! Get out! Get out! Oh, hello, Caleb. Caleb, you want to hang out in this box for okay, what is it? Okay. And okay, it's from a chicken. You're scared of boxes. This is bow down to the queen of boxes. Oh. Let's see who is this. Oh, so guys, I can read it for me. Carefree. Oh! Look, he's scared of boxes. Yeah, I love it. Guys, I make a little pathway for people. Oh, you don't have to. You just ruined your own pathway. I know Cookie loves her food. So, Cookie? Oh. Alright! You're so cute. Oh, you can do it! She's like a cutie pie. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're always in a bad mood. He's around in a fake mood. Cookie, you're kind of thick. Sorry, Cookie, but you're kind of thick. That's right. Carefree. Fourth amount of sugar. I don't even know. Hi guys. I'm gonna spell fresh. Fresh. Guys, I kind of. Oh shit. Get it. So, where? Okay.
I realized that helped me, I think, deal with some things that I went through.
Guys, this might be super hard for me because I'm holding a box and vlogging, and there's a door and steps. Here, where should I put this? Hello, Tita Tonton. I think here because there. Make sure there's no one there. Okay. Good. On the couch outside? I thought I misheard it. Okay, but for a reason you should the camera kind of face in your face because I'm vlogging. Sorry. It's good. Happy. And also make sure to look at Chloe's channel. I don't know how to spell. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Can we open this?
Hindi na, ilalagay lang yan dun sa taas pa. Ano ba yan?
I don't know.
Apang girl.
I don't even like that.